Hi guys, my name's Mitz and I wanted to show you the new SEOpressor. Now I'm in a post right now and I've put some keywords in. Now here it is here, the SEOpressor, so I can, if it looks like this, that means it's not expanded. So expand it. Now you can add a keyword in here. So just say I want to add another keyword, I'll just press on the plus and type it in here. Okay, so I've got enough keywords, that's fine. You can optimize for up to 3 keywords. Now I think that's far better than just doing one keyword, so I'm really happy with that new feature. Okay, so when you've put your keywords in, click to refresh the analysis. So each time you do something to improve your post, just click on here to see the results. Now as you can see, I'm not really getting a good score. Okay, so I've only got 0.46 keyword density, which isn't even on 1. So obviously I haven't got enough keywords in there. Now look down further and you can see suggestions down here. Now I'm just going to take you through this. Now first, if we click on suggestions, we come up with this list here. Now you can see obviously what the suggestions are here. Now there's a drop down menu here where we can go to URL and it says yes for the tick. The keyword is in the anchor text of an internal link. The keyword is in the anchor text of an external link, which is leaving your website, and a keyword found in the post URL. I'll show you where the post URL is. It is just here. So there's the keyword in the URL. Now if you don't have the keyword in the URL, you can just press on edit and change it. Also, I've got the keyword in the title up here, and so it likes that, but obviously I haven't done something right yet because I haven't got a very good score. So there's another menu item here, it's called content. Now as you can see, I need to have a keyword in the meta keyword section, the description. The keyword is not found in the last 100 words, and so on. The keyword density is too low. Now with the ticks, it says I have used 2 LSI keywords, that's good. And it tells me what I have done. I've got the keyword as an image alt, so that's good as well. Now it says it gives you suggestions on how to get to your 100%, and also there is an over optimization warning. Now I don't think I'll be able to over optimize on this post because I'm well under the percentages here. So let's have a look at the next one here. Now that was suggestions. Now let's go to content. Okay, so it says LSI, and this is the LSI keywords. Now it has 2 sections here. It has the 2 keywords that I listed above. Now if I'd listed 3, there'd be 3 here. So let's press on average laptop life. Now as you can see, I haven't used any LSI keywords for that word. We'll go back to laptop life, and I've used 2 here and nothing else. Okay, so obviously one of the suggestions is to use more LSI keywords. Now I was already doing this before this came in, but this is fantastic because it actually suggests them for you. Now if you have a good look at these words, which is very surprising, okay, this one doesn't fit, how to extend life, but look at the rest of them. They all fit, which is amazing. So it really understands what my post is about. Now let's have a look at this one. Laptop, yep, it all fits. So it's crazy, I just can't believe it. So out of all those words, there's only one that is a bit blurry, as in how to extend life. Okay, the rest of it is all about laptops and computers. Alright, so I'm very impressed with that feature, and obviously I'm going to optimize my post with some more LSI keywords, because that is fantastic for SEO, because Google and all the other search engines are definitely going to know that this is going to be about the life of a computer laptop, this post, and I don't need to keep using the same keywords to get my message across. Alright, now there's another tab here, it's called videos. Now we can click to search for related videos, and it comes up with some videos. Now, how to reset your laptop battery, troubleshooting laptop battery, that's the game life, so that's not included. These are some of these are off the subject, some of them aren't. So how to reset, see, I wouldn't really put these in there. I could put that one in there, but yep, here it is right here without having to go to YouTube. Now, what else is there? Let's have a look. So we've gone through all of this here. Now, of course, I'm going to go to my post and improve whatever the SEO tells me to do, SEOpressor, I'm going to improve on that. But the other thing I want to show you is right down the bottom. Now, I've got a thesis in here, so there's a long list of things there. Now we've got SEOpressor settings. Now there's more settings here. It's crazy. It does so much, it's not funny. Now, you're going to have to read through these yourself because there's so much involved. So use keywords as meta tags. Okay, so you can change these to allow or not allow. Okay, so if it's green, that means you're letting it do it. Now we have rich snippets. Okay, enable rich snippets. Now that means you can put your Google author, Google Plus ID in there, which will link you as the author. Okay, you can choose a rating for this post. Just say it's a review, because we've got review, event, people, product. Okay, this is a product, so let's see. And because this is a product, we would put SEOpressor, image URL, product description, and the offer. Okay, now just fill all that out, no problem. With a review, we can put the author, the summary, the description, and the rating. Now, some people have got recipe websites, so just all you have to do is fill in, okay? Fill in this stuff. Oh, this has got heaps. It's got calories and everything down here. So whatever Google requires, then SEOpressor has got it. Okay, now let's look at the social SEO. We've got Facebook and Twitter. Okay, now enable social SEO. So it's got an image. We can choose another image. The default title for so just say people go and share this post. You want to make the title stand out for Facebook and Twitter. It's not always recommended to put a huge title in Twitter because you're limited to 140 characters or something like that. A small description would be good, and here's the default one just here. Okay, so you're better off putting something in there. Alright, so that's pretty cool. So when people go and share on Facebook or Twitter, you actually have the control of what gets shared and how it looks. Okay, so that's pretty cool. Okay, here's another one, the Dublin core. So this is going to show you the title, etc., blah blah blah. Now, creator. This is the value post author specified in the Google Plus URL field, and it says edit. So what this actually does is link you to the post. Okay, so you know how they have those little author pictures in Google in the search results? Well, this kind of stuff helps you get matched up with your articles if you're not already. Description, and it's got the default description down there, etc., etc. Okay, let's go to tags. Now it says instructions. Okay, gather the tags from the service, select the tags you want, and then add the selected tags to WordPress. So press get tags. Okay, well, there's some tags. Right, now all we have to do is say yes to that to turn it to green. Laptop life, trusty laptop, old laptop. Okay, let's add these tags. Okay, so those tags are gone. Now this one here didn't come up with any results, but that's okay. Alright, that just helps you fill in some of the tags. So let's go back to the settings. You can fill these out. So crazy. Now the other really great feature that I loved is that you can go into the actual settings of WordPress SEOpressor settings, and there's a huge amount of settings here. Okay, it's on the advanced menu. If you go to miscellaneous, down the bottom here, this is my favorite feature. There's heaps of features, but this is my favorite. It says the minimum score before publishing. So let's just say we make it 70%. Okay? Now the score, if the score is less than this value, the status draft will be draft instead of published. Leave it empty to allow posts with any score to be published. Okay, so let's save the settings. Okay, so some more settings in here are internal links. So you can actually create internal links to all of your stuff. External cloaked links, so that could be to affiliate products that are cloaked and they look like something else. They can also be no followed or do followed and all that stuff. Now role settings, so that just stops people from coming in here into these settings and changing your settings like contributors and stuff, but they can still use SEOpressor and still get a score, so that's good. Make money, obviously, to sell this product, and support. So yeah, everything's there. Pretty cool. Now also, if you press on post and pages score, you come up with a big list of posts and their scores next to it, so you can see which posts are not optimized. See how we've got a keyword in there. It's got click to view 18 suggestions. Ouchie wouchie. And also it's got a score of -37. Okay. We'd have to go and have a look at some more posts. I'm sure I've got lots that are optimized, but obviously before this program came along, there obviously is a lot of posts that are not optimized. Alright, thanks for watching. As you can see, SEOpressor is fantastic, and the main thing that it is doing for me is it is helping me make fantastic articles. Okay, it's extending them, it's giving me ideas, it's doing all sorts of things. Alright, thanks for watching.